Hi there, this is Jen, and I am not doing a voiceover today, so I hope that my AC is not too loud and that you can hear me really well. But I thought I'd do an unboxing. I haven't done one in a very long time, and I'm super excited about what's in this box. I got this yesterday, and I wanted to share it for a few reasons because for one, it's beautiful, and for another, it's because I wanted to show you some of the products. If you're not familiar with this company, this is a small business. I think they've been around for a little over a year, but she has some awesome stuff, so I wanted to kind of promote her and share if you haven't heard. And the company is Calls for Confetti. It is run by Lisa and her husband, and they are awesome. So I wanted to show this. These look so much better in person. She was having a spring sale. I will check and see if it's still going on, but it's shaker mixes and confetti and just bling, and it's so pretty. And I'm not going to take a ton of time going over each of these, but I did want to show them. I don't want to take them out of the package, but this is kind of a Christmas. This is called Christmas Scotty. Really beautiful pink lemonade. These are just gorgeous. You see the shine. Hopefully you can see the shine on these. They are so pretty. That's pink lemonade. This one is called cotton candy. So basically, you know, just your sequins. These are pearlescent lime zest. You see that pearlescent when you kind of move them in the light. These ones are it's cotton candy fresh sage, and this one is blueberry, and these are more of like a matte. They've got a little bit of a shine to them. This is cotton candy fresh lavender. So pretty. I was so excited when I got this. This is Frank's Proposal. So it's got some little Frankenstein bits in there, along with some greens and blacks and silver. This is Morganite Sequin Confetti. Is that gorgeous or what? And I think I'm going to have to clean out my sequins now because I don't have room for these. So this is Olive Black Sparkle Gems. Hopefully you can see how the color kind of changes a little bit. We've got Old Fashioned Christmas Candy. So you've got some kind of like beads almost, and then some Christmas clay bits. More of these gems. This is butterscotch. Looks kind of like a peach color. Gorgeous. This one is Sunset Aura. It's really pretty. Christmas Chill. So it's got some cute little penguins, snowflakes, some little bits, some clay bits. This one is called Chocolate Berries Diamond and Pearl Mix. Hopefully you can see that. It's really so pretty. The mixes she just puts together are just fabulous. This is Opalescent Island Blue Sequin Confetti. More of the gems. This one is Beach Walk Sparkle Gems. And they definitely do some sparkle. That is for sure. This one is Chartreuse. That's gorgeous green. We've got Fresh Banana Sequins. We've got Opalescent Tropical Melon. And there's a tool in here that I wanted to show you that's really awesome, and I kind of held off on getting it, but I finally went ahead and bought it. This one's called Winter Buzz, and it's in the bottom of the box, so I'll show you that. It's this cool little tool. If you have it or you've been to our shop, you probably know what I'm talking about, but I'm going to go ahead and show you that when I get to the bottom. This is Lavender Sage Diamond and Pearl Mix. Another really gorgeous mix. Sparkle Gems in Ube, UBE, purple. These are Apple Green Sparkle Gems. And they are so sparkly. This is probably one of my favorites right here. Pink Champagne Sparkle Gems. It's got a mix of some pinks and almost like a copper color and some almost like diamonds and some whites. So pretty. Iridescent pink sequins. Gorgeous. These ones are Pink Punch Sparkle Gems. These are Glazed Strawberry Sequin Confetti. And we've got Iridescent Dewdrops. They've just got so much, even the clear. These are like, they're so pretty. I love pretty things. Neon Appetite. I think that's how you say that. Another really pretty green. This one is Lemon Drop Sparkle Gems. So as you can probably tell by now, there's a lot of different color of sparkle gems. They are gorgeous. They catch the light so pretty. And this one I absolutely love. It's got some fun kind of 80s neon colors. It's called Merry and Bright Sparkle Gems, but it's also got some almost like diamond gems in there that give that really pretty sparkle. Then we've got Firecrackers. This is a polymer clay mix, different shapes for the 4th of July. And I have this one already, but I wanted another pack. It's called Spring Buzz. Really pretty spring. It's got some pinks and blues and these little bumblebees. And then we've got a Halloween one. I think this one, maybe it's not Halloween. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's got little pumpkins in it. It's called Pastel Peepers. And these are some clay bits. Got some stars and some moons. Gingerbread Bliss. Another pretty mix. Winter Solstice. Gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. This one's called Love Polymer Clay Mix. So this is another clay mix, and it's got some hearts in there. Some like gem hearts or plastic hearts. X's and O's. This one is Pink Gingham Polymer Clay. And I, like I said, I don't have room for these, so I'm going to be cleaning out my sequin mixes, and you can find those in the shop when I go through those. I will put them up in the shop if you don't know what I'm talking about. I have a little shop that I started for my destash stuff, as well as some other stuff that I have purchased to sell. And so the prices are really great, I think. And so if you're interested, I will leave a link below for that. This one's called Midnight Dahlia. I love this one as well. Very pretty. Very pretty. Here's an Easter one. This one's called Easter Polymer Clay Mix. So another one that has some clay mixes. Bunnies. We've got Iridescent Clear sequins. Never have too many clear sequins. These are Glazed Lemon. And we've got Pale Citrine. So pretty. We've got Sky Blue Sparkle Gems. And then Cotton Candy Spun Sugar. So more of a solid white, or almost like a pearl white. And then the last confetti we have is Magenta Sunset Sequin Confetti. And it's got some golds and some purples. Really, really pretty. And then I also got, these are on sale. I also got some of these, what are these called? They are like little shaker windows, I guess. They're very dimensional, so you can use them for other things as well. I mean, if you wanted to put some little candy in here on a card as well. But I got one that's more of a rectangle, and then I got a circle set. And then the tool I was talking about is this tool. It's called It's No Secret. It is an anti-static. Let me see if I can get it open. It is an anti-static tool. So normally what I do when I'm making a shaker is I have this little, you know, all of the excess from my powder tool. I put it in a little container, and there's usually a bunch of excess in the bottom of that container. And usually what I'll do is I'll just take a paintbrush or a brush I don't use and dip it in that powder and then run it around the edge of the foam to take away that stickiness so that the sequins, when they move around, they don't touch. But she came up with this really cool tool. It is called, it's no secret, and it's got the powder in it, but look at the cool thing about it is this right here. So it is a little brush, so you can see that the powder is just in this tube, but you just rub this around the edge and it's just so easy. It almost looks like a lip gloss brush, but you're just gonna rub this around the edge of that foam or whatever the sticky is to get rid of the stickiness so that the shaker mix doesn't stick to it and then it moves around like you want it to. So very cool. Love it. Can't wait to use it. So again, I love everything. It's so beautiful. I will leave a link to her shop in the description. And like I said, as well as mine, I'm probably take me a few days, at least probably next week, before I get any of my destash for my sequins up in the shop. But I definitely will have to clean out a little bit because my goal is always to not reorganize to fit, because I overspend on stuff, but to go ahead and destash, which is why I destash probably quite often, so that I can make room for my new stuff and get rid of stuff that I maybe am not using and it's just taking up space. So that is my video for today. I'm hoping to have another video out this week using some Maker Forte stamps, because currently right now those are in my shop for 50% off. So I hope you'll check it out. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you check out This Calls for Confetti. It's absolutely amazing for everything sparkly that you could possibly want. So do check that out, and thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time.